So today we're going to be talking about Lava-Lite Soil Restore Plus. It's an eco-friendly and 100% natural way to improve the quality and consistency of your substrate. Adding Soil Restore stops the media from getting too compacted, which improves aeration. Roots depend on having adequate levels of oxygen. The more you can aerate the substrate, the faster they'll develop. As we all know by now, bigger and better root systems make for bigger and better plants. Adding Soil Restore is a low-cost way to make big differences to the size and quality of your harvest. You'll also get much better drainage, so there's far less chance of encountering crop-threatening root diseases that can occur when plants stay moist for too long. Soil Restore is pH neutral, so it won't cause any imbalances in the medium that can impact nutrient uptake and trigger deficiencies. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.